Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I've missed you. Happy Thursday. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because today, instead of doing makeup, we're going to be talking about skin. So my main thing is, when it comes to makeup and skincare in general, this stupid robe, stay closed. Good makeup, or great makeup, starts with good skin. So skincare is another passion of mine that I did mention in my first video. And I really wanted to break down what I use for summertime, daytime skin. I have dry, combination dry skin, so I tend to use products that pack a little bit more of a punch, have a little bit more thickness, and have loaded with moisture. So for skin twins, this is going to be the video for you. We're getting a little older now, people. Time for us to start using some anti-aging products as well. So first we're going to start with what could be considered a toner or a treatment lotion. And this is the one I've been using all summer, which is the Erno Laszlo Hydraphel Skin Supplement. This, I mean, this is the deluxe bottle, but I love this. You can use this AM and PM right after you wash your face or just step out of the shower. I haven't done any skincare today, so we're going to do it together. We're going to take a few drops of this in our hand. That's plenty. And then we're just going to press it. What's nice about this one is it's made without alcohol, which I have sensitive skin. Well, not super sensitive skin, but sensitive skin. So it's made without alcohol. It's packed with antioxidants, and it has glycerin in it, which is a super moisture magnet. I'm obsessed. And whatever we're doing to the face, we do to the neck as well. Start young, stay young, you know. Next, we're going to be using a cult classic, which is Estée Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. Now, I know there's a new version out, but I don't have that one yet, so I'm going to do a little bit of this. Now, it is Advanced Night Repair, but my little secret is I use it during the day, as well as the night. This is nice, too, because it really helps to, pull moisture into the skin. It's setting it up for a day of wonderful skin-like stuff. And it's packed with hyaluronic acid, which is another moisture magnet, kind of like glycerin, and it is the bomb. This helps fight early signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, helps to even the skin tone, promotes radiance, everything that you would want in a serum, this is it. Now we're moving on to eye cream. So I'm going to be using the Erno Laszlo Occuphel Emollient eye cream. Now this is the amount that you guys are going to need. That's it. This tiny little amount. We're going to take that on our ring fingers. A little bit up here. And then we're going to pat all around the orbital area. Oh, I love this. This is like luxury, wonderfulness. I like this because it helps with lines and wrinkles. This is the eye cream I've been using all summer. It's thick, but it's not like sweaty lids thick. Really helps to smooth and hydrate around the eye area, diminishes fine lines, and I love it. Next has been the best day cream I have used all summer. The Erno Laszlo Firmarine Moisturizer SPF 30. Summertime, people. SPF. You need to protect your skin from the sun. We are not our parents. It's not 1975. It's not time for us to lather up in iodine and go sizzle under the sun like a piece of bacon.
Crispy.
We need to protect our skin. SPFs are everything. I recommend it even in the winter, the fall, the spring, the summer. SPF for daytime wear. Keep the sun off your skin. This has algae extract in it, jojoba seed oil, which is super nice to the skin. And it has mineral dense seawater, which kind of acts like an exfoliant, but not gritty, which is but it keeps the healthy skin up front. As you can see, I'm near out. I've used so much of this, and you only need so little of this to do your whole face, maybe a little bit more for the neck. Now, I don't stick my fingers in jars. I have the little spatula that I clean after every use. You just take it right into your little jar. This should be enough for your whole face. Take it here. I'm going to set this aside so I can clean it. And when I put it on, I press in a few areas to help spread it around. Move the hair, and then we're just going to rub it in. Then my little zit over here. God, I get more acne now than I did when I was a teenager. Normally I would let this sit for a few minutes, Then you can go right in with your primer and then start your makeup application. And what's really nice too is that your skin is nice and hydrated and ready to go. Your makeup game will be flawless. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hop on over to my Instagram and all my social media handles at RobbyZMakeup and give me a follow. I would appreciate it. And then send all my Instagram people here so I can get some more subs. Remember, beauty is what you make it. No matter how it turns out, you can always take it off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.